This is the noise we get from Jake every time he's on his game.
This game's so hard. I hate it.
So I'm going to take you in there so I can get him shouting.
God.
So it's funny.
Who are they? Bloody hell. So annoying, this game. Sake! What's he doing? God's sake! My God! Right, that's kill. I'm turning this off. So I've had enough of this game. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I thought it'd be quite funny to film you. I thought it would be quite funny to film you.
I've myself now.
That's alright, don't worry about it.
Myself.
Oh no, you know what I have to put up with.
This game's so annoying, I hate this game. Good morning guys, good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. How you doing today? It's Saturday, I'm all dressed. Quite late today, it's currently about 11:30. I just got dressed about half an hour ago. Plan is today guys, plan is today. I spat on you. My mum, dad, my sister, the kids, Beth is coming as well. We are going to go to Abbey Park, which is near my area. They have like a massive firework display on tonight, 5 till 9 I think it is. So we're going to go down there at 5 and stay there till 9 because they've got kids fireworks at 7:30 I believe. And then the adult firework, obviously the loud ones, at 8 o'clock. So it should be quite a good day today guys. I mean, it's not a very nice day today for the fireworks, so I hope the fireworks are still on. It ain't too bad now, a bit cloudy, but earlier guys, if you haven't noticed, it rained already today. And it literally chucking it down with rain today. But before I go any further to today's vlog guys, I just wanted to shout someone out on this video. I think her name is Ava. So Ava, I got your name wrong, let me know in the comments. But Ava, I got your message from my dad. I know you want a picture of me and sign from me, which is on the way right now. I've just got to get a picture for you. Now I'll sign it and I'll give it to you. I'm pleased you're watching these videos, supporting my journey as well. So it means a lot, thank you. I don't know how old you are, so I'm sure whether you can write in the comments because you have to be over 14 to have a YouTube account. So if you're over 14, write in the comments. Write in the comments section whereabouts you live because I might come down to your house and give it to you face to face. It is on the way. Thank you. That is why I like doing these videos guys. It gives me this motivation to carry on. It gives me motivation to continue these videos. That is why I do it guys because something like that gives me energy to carry on. So thank you Ava. It means a lot. So anyway guys, I'm just going to go to the cob shop right now because my dad's just took my mum and my sister down to Asda. What I need to do now, go to the cob shop, buy a cob because I've got Leicester playing on telly today. Playing at 12:30. I can't show you too much of the football guys because I got copyrighted last time I showed you. I got copyrighted by YouTube which blocked my whole video out last week. So what I had to do then, Sunday's vlog, I had to put it up on Tuesday because I tried to put it up on Monday but it didn't let me. So I had to go through all my video again, delete that about 15-second clip and put it all back up again. So YouTube blocked my video because I'm copyrighted by FA Premier League. Thank you for that, means a lot. Oh Charlie, I got my snacks, I got my drink, I got my cob, but you're not having any. You're not having any Charlie, because you've had your dinner. You're gonna scrounge for my dinner, yes he is. You're gonna scrounge for my dinner, but you already had your dinner. Now go away. Right, bye, see you, bye. That's alright guys. The football finished about an hour ago. I've just gone to get Beth, she's downstairs now. It's currently about 4 o'clock. So the last clip I vlogged was about 12:30 when the football was starting, but I didn't really have anything else planned until right now. So what we're going to do now is going to get all sorted out, get my scarf on. What we're going to do then is head out, go to the fireworks. Guys, if you're excited for this vlog guys, give it a massive thumbs up and let's have some fun. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go! I've got a scarf that's like literally massive, but it's supposed to go around your head or neck, should I say, 4 or 5 times. And in this sort of weather, it is perfect. People that played football might know what this is because it's more of like a football thing, but it's been banned now. And I thought I'll wear this today. Keep my neck nice and warm. So here it is. Look at the size of it. Look at the size of it. That's one. That is one. That is two. Oh, I might be able to get two out of it. That's three. Look at that. Nice and warm now. Then got my coat on. Got my coat on. Got my hat on. Got my hat on. Got my hat on. And I'm all set. Nice and warm. So let's go, guys. We're in the car park. Trying to, well, we've got a parking space, but I thought it would be more packed than what it is in here. It's not actually too packed, is it?
Look.
What?
There's your car.
Yeah, I'm over here. They're over here. I'm over there. So we sort of split up a little bit, but just had to walk down because the car park is about 5 minutes. Yeah, down there. Yeah, the car park is 5 minutes walk from the park. So we're gonna walk down there. It should take only 5 minutes. Hopefully, but we've got all the kids, so it might take a bit longer.
Not all.
No, 3 kids, but it's got a pushchair as well. Look forward to it.
Hello, I am. Are you?
Here they've got kids fireworks at 6:30, and then adult fireworks at 8. So what's the difference? Kids and adult fireworks? Well, maybe less bang, but I don't know. Weird. I don't know how they're going to see me tonight, because it might be quite dark at the park, but it should be okay. Got my torch with me if you can't see me, so should be alright though, should be okay. You excited for the fireworks? Beth's very ill, she had tonsillitis all week, so she's actually come out. Well,
Not just tonsillitis.
what is it?
I had strep throat too.
Strep throat, yeah, so she looked as though it's quite cool that she came out tonight, because she wasn't going to come, because she's been really ill, but she's here. She might feel a bit tired tonight though, because first time she's been out this late for a while. And me, first time I've been out for a while. Your information, it is bloody cold. I'm so pleased I got my hat, my scarf and my coat on. Oh, it's so cold, man. I was expecting more people to be walking down to the park, but it's not actually that busy. I mean, I'll say that now. When we get down to the park later, it will be, I bet you. I'll show you when we're there. Keep that word in mind, guys. Keep that word saying, isn't that packed right now? You wait till we're there. But let's all this here is the bonfire. It looks massive. It looks sick. Right, bad thing about this place, it's all on grass. They can't even hear me. Got the music playing. Yeah, it's all grass. So it's awful. Oh, look. Ugh. This right here has got my name called in for me. Roast chicken, roast beef, roast pork and stuffing. Did you hear it? It's packed. It is packed.
That's true. If you're up there, you can see down.
just got back. It's currently 11 o'clock. I got back at about 9:30. So I've just been chilling, resting my legs, downstairs watching X Factor, because I am so damn tired right now. So right guys, you know what's about to come up now, don't you? I will end today's vlog right now guys. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button. I enjoyed it today. It was such a fun night. The fireworks are absolutely amazing. They were incredible. Like £5 a ticket, but like when you buy fireworks for home, they're about 60 quid. So basically you're saving £55 to see like professional fireworks. It's really, really good guys. So if you enjoyed it guys, smash the like button. Thank you for watching guys. Stay positive, keep your head held high, keep pushing forward. And with that being said, good night guys. See you tomorrow. Good night. Bye. So tired.